YouTube. Welcome everyone. It's me Arjun, your guide on Microsoft Excel. We're gonna learn the basic formula on Microsoft Excel. Here in this series, I'm using version 16.18, but don't worry, whatever the version or operating system you have or you are using, everything works smoothly, perfectly. Well, let's start with some basic function using Microsoft Excel. Let me open the Microsoft Excel with a blank workbook. For the demonstration purpose, let's insert some dummy value, dummy records. Suppose I want to calculate the sum of all those value over here. Then you, Microsoft Excel provides a special function, that is sum function, to calculate the series of cell value and calculate the total sum. Just type equal sum bracket start and the starting cell and the ending cell name. It means D3 to D11, D3 colon D11, bracket close, enter. Or we have the other way as well to calculate this. Directly be sure that you are in home tab, then go to auto sum. It will give you the exact same formula as we typed before, and hit enter key, the same result. And if you want to find out the product, it means you want to multiply all these value and get the result. And to get that just to get that equals product product bracket start, and from here to here and bracket close, and hit enter key. It's a scientific formatting. If you want to get the general, just select the cell and click on format cell and select the number. Okay, now you are getting as a general number. And if you want to count how many number are there in this series, to get that you can use count function. Count bracket start from here to here and bracket close. 9, we have 9 record over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. We have 9 record to get the count function here. So in the count, let's change this one into sum product. And if you want to calculate the average, average average, it's very handy way. Average average and bracket start from here to here and bracket close. 75 is the average value. And if you want to calculate the minimum value from here to here, suppose we have the few number of record over here, we can directly say that 34 is the smallest value, and the 235 is the maximum, it's the biggest, highest value here. But if you have the huge number of record, then to get the minimum value, you can use min mean bracket start from here to here and press enter key. Look, 34 as we expected. And the maximum value, that is max, equal to max bracket start from here to here. It's this one very useful to calculate the minimum and maximum value, such as if you are going to calculate the result sheet of the school, and who is getting what's the minimum value that the student are getting, and the maximum marks, it means marks that the student are getting. To calculate that is very useful. As well as we have some date and time function. If you need the actual current time, it's the very handy function. Now bracket start and bracket close, no need to do anything here. You are getting the date and actual time here as the same as today. It gives the date, today, bracket start bracket close, skip the date 27 10 18. As well as if you need a date, as you can use date function as well. But it's require the year, month and day parameter. We will discuss this on the future coming video tutorial, don't worry for that. And we have some other function as well. Suppose you want to convert the number into the Roman number. To do so, ROM in Roman, just type ROM in Roman and bracket start and specify the value. Suppose you want to convert the 10 into Roman number, that is x, right? It's a 10. As well as if you want to change this 45 as well here directly with specifying the cell value, you can specify the cell value as well, D3, it means 45, that is XLV. If you change here, it is dynamic now. Suppose only 5, we are getting 5 value here. It means you can specify the exact number here, or if you need the dynamic value from the from the selected cell, you can specify the cell name over here as well. It's a handy, you can specify both of them. And if you want to change the text into capital letter and the capital letter into the lower, and find out the length, for that we Excel provides a special function that is upper, lower and length. Suppose I have the name YouTube. Suppose only that Y and T is capital here. You want to convert all of them into the capital letter. You can use equal uppr upper function and text. You can type the text directly or specify the cell value. You can do both as well. Look at, we are getting the YouTube as the capital letter. Again, if you want to change the capital letter, change whatever the text is there, you need small letter, then uppr upper is for capital letter, LOWR lower for small letter. Look, we are getting the small letter here, everything, even the Y and T. And if you want to count the alphabet, how many alphabet are there on the particular text, you can count that with using len function. Len bracket start, then cell value, enter. We have 7. YOUTUBE, we have 7. I think it's enough for this video tutorial. If this video is useful for you, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. If you have any question and comment, then leave the comment on the comment box. Thank you.